The worst trading market in months continues. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 13th. Oh, my God. Friday the 13th. That's my lucky day. So it's my lucky day, my lucky number. Hopefully something good will happen. What horrible market conditions we are seeing now. I mean, listen, the markets are going straight up, which is fine. We're long. Okay. The NASDAQ was up over 100, is now is trying to hang on by its fingernails to this rally. But in the meantime, again, obviously everything is higher. It's not a bad thing when you're long. But from a trading standpoint, the markets are just brutal. They have no desire to follow through in any direction. And every day, volume falls further, which again is just the pure sign of an illiquidity that was created by we know who. I'm not gonna repeat myself, but that's what happens when you do these types of things with these markets. Metals are trying to explode to the upside. We're still short. I mean, I'm not concerned, okay, because we're not near where a resistance level where we would even consider reversing is at yet. And, again, we talk about the torture or the pain of consolidation. That is what you're seeing in the metals at the moment. Now, again, eventually they should either break down or break up. I think they'll break back down. To me, there's no reason to believe that this rally is worth anything other than selling it. Okay. And probably if it gets to 1900 in gold, I would be selling it. Copper is higher, we're still long. Net gas a little higher, we're still short. Bonds are all over the place, but they're lower at the moment. But who knows what it'll be by the time I finish. And along with notes, which we remain short. Crude is lower again. We're long, which I always hate being long crude anyways. But right now it's lower. It has been a good run up, but we'll see where it goes from here. It made it a couple of attempts to rally and has failed, so we'll see how it ends up. The dollar is lower, and we are, of course, still short dollars. When we look at the grain markets, they're mixed. Okay, look, we love the grains here. They look great. There's not a lot to be concerned about. The actual trading there has been very solid. The only one that has to be of some concern is wheat. And with another pullback here, I think it would trigger probably a sale. I don't like the way it traded yesterday, and I'm not thrilled with it today, but it's not over yet. So let's see where we end up. But in the meantime, we're still long across the board. Meats are flat to lower. I mean, they don't look great here, but after the big rallies, we're not concerned. We're still long both fats and feeder cattle, hogs. We are still short, and none of them are. Nothing is major, but they are all lower across the board. The softs, last I looked, and again, I don't look much, but coffee was slightly lower. We're short. Cotton was lower. We're short. OJ was higher. We're long. Sugar was a little bit higher. We're long, and of course, cocoa was a little bit lower. We're short. But again, as I say, I don't trade those actively, so they don't affect my emotional spin, which I have now with the lousiness of this, market that has no volume and really no real true trading action, because all the little or smaller traders in the futures markets have been basically closed out. So we'll see how it at the end of the day comes up. It's always interesting. It's a Friday. Is there going to be rumors of stimulus? Who knows how we're going to end? In the meantime, our positions will not change for the rest of the day. And of course, remember, don't try to pick the top if you're in options. Just roll your options up so that you can stay in the trade and take money off the table. It's a pretty simple process. Meantime, don't forget about our friends at Family Farms. They are our new partners in the agricultural community, and we're trying to, again, educate and help our friends because, of course, for years they've never gotten the proper treatment from, my side of the business, not me, but the brokerage or the hedging side of the business, and we're going to show them the right way so they can actually never give up the upside of markets, which has been the problem in the past. And of course, the commodity report, which just came out, unbelievable. Technomental, go to BubbaTrading.com and check it out. Our brokerage partners, as I always tell you, they are second to none. I do have other brokerage accounts, But for our futures and commodities, CTG, they're their only licensed vendor of our letter of direction trading and our algorithms. Number one. Number two, they got great customer service. They're there to help you. They will help you set your account up. They'll do everything they can, and you will be talking to the owners, not some customer service agent. So I think it's a terrific group, and they do a wonderful job with our stuff. And of course, for equities and options, there is nothing like Tradier. I mean, again, first of all, it's $10, but their service is unbelievable. Everything they do is good. And, why not put the money in your pocket instead of somebody else's? In the meantime, we had a nice little winter last night in Indianapolis, which we thought, again, we didn't take a lot because of the way the line came down, but it was an easy victory. And of course, we'll see you on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. Stay healthy. I hope your state stays open. And we'll see you back here on Sunday morning with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a good day, everybody. Have a good weekend. We'll see you later.